guys, and welcome back to an awesome video. Today I have Bristol here with me. Say hi. Say hi to our friends. Bristol, you can talk.
Hey.
Yeah, so she's with me today. This time we're doing a slime video, as we sometimes do. Well, I sometimes do. Bristol, you want to touch the slime?
Yeah. It's slimy. It feels like boogers.
Ew.
Ew.
Bristol.
It looks yucky.
It does not. See, it has these glitters in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, holographic blue
Looks so
glitter.
beautiful. Whoa. Whoa.
No.
Come down. You gotta get on your pajamas.
Let's not speak of my pajamas because I still have them on. Shh, video. See guys, it's like so slimy.
Is it?
Wait a minute, I'm gonna smell it. It actually smells good. Bristol, smell it.
Okay. It smells good. Yeah, you're right. It do smell good.
And if you're wondering what this is back here, in my previous videos, we've been showing you guys my little praying mantis. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, glitters.
Yeah, there's glitter.
And you know, Bristol, my aunt is your mom, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, we want to really thank you because you're actually a great aunt, and you're and Bristol thinks you're like a really good mom to her, and I just think that your channel is better than mine because I like your channel a lot. And also guys, if you didn't see, then there's like little glitters. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So that does it with my slime video. Bristol, say bye.
Bye.
Bye, peace, love, and Wi-Fi.
Bye.
Please subscribe. Let's get a lot of subscribers.
Yay.
Bye.